That's the hustle. Did y'all know that's the hustle? You make enough money to pay everybody so you don't do shit but be as happy.
So typically when I'm doing my wigs, I always use my Chi. I think I tell y'all this all the time. Iron Guard. And then I use the Chi Silk Infusion. So I just spray a little bit of this all over the hair. And then I put just a little bit in my hands and I rub it all over the wig. Just to get that extra shine in there. But the hair is really, really thick. So far, as you guys can see, it's pretty thick. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna put some wand curls in it, so stay tuned. Okay, so as y'all can see, I've kind of made my way up a little bit. And I'm still going to grab smaller sections up here. Y'all, this hair is definitely still rich. Y'all see the body in it? I just put a little bit of Silk Infusion in there and it created this shine to it. So y'all definitely better go get y'all some Chi Silk Infusion. You can find it at like your local beauty supply store. I typically get mine from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, somewhere like that. That's where I typically get like all of my hair products from, and it'd be like super cheap. I think the Silk Infusion is like $5.99. You can get big bottles or small bottles, whichever one you prefer. But it definitely works, and it don't have your hair like real heavy, because that's what I hate the most. Like when my hair is like really oily or something like that, or I use a product trying to try it out and it's too oily. Oh my God, the worst. So that works for me. I've been buying it ever since. I think I've been using that product for like the past 2 years now. And I mean, like I said, it definitely works for me. But y'all see that I'm getting to the top of the hair now. And I'm gonna show y'all like what to do with y'all flyaways that the wand don't catch when you wanding it. I'm gonna show you what to do at the end. Okay, y'all, so I finished it and the curls is popping, as y'all can see. This is what I was talking about when I said when you have your flyaways, just grab your wand like these flyaways right here. Grab your wand and just re-curl them. flyaways. When you comb your hair though, make sure you comb it to the back so your curls can fall in your face. Just push it all the way to the back like this so that it can fall in your face. To the back like this so that it can fall in your face. So it's really, really pretty. Like I said, it still has a lot of body in it. This is only 3 bundles and a closure. And then put some more of your serum. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put some pictures up of the actual hair on my head so y'all can see it. Y'all help me name her. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful. I will see y'all next time.